this video, we're gonna show you the beginner's technique for meditation, and it can be done by anyone without using any equipment. And fun fact, what I read recently is that a person tends to have 50,000 to 60,000 thoughts in a day, which means approximately 2,500 thoughts in an hour. So it is really amazing, but at the same time it can be really tough for a mental peace. So as we relax our eyes after working hard, we wash our eyes or we sleep for some time. Similarly, we really need to relax our mind, and the best way to do it is practice meditation. But how are we gonna do it? Let's start the video. So what I usually suggest is to sit on the floor. You can sit on the chair as well if you feel like you have a joint problem or if you have a back problem. But I do not really prefer or suggest you guys to sit on the bed because it really hampers the posture. So sitting on the floor is the best way. And you can also take the support of the wall if you feel like your back is hurting or will hurt in between. Secondly, always wear some comfortable clothes because you will be sitting for a while. I usually don't wear jeans or something when I practice meditation. And also I am practicing meditation for 2 months now, and it actually helped me a lot to yield beautiful results, and meditation has really helped me to answer my questions. So it can also help you a lot to answer your questions and also achieve what you always wished for. At quarantine here, when we are actually locked down in our houses, it is the best time to practice it and inculcate something in your routine. Secondly, moving on to the meditation video. Whenever I practice meditation, I always take my specs down, and I recommend you guys to do the same. And I always prefer to cup my hands in this fashion. It is called acceptance mudra. Another mudra that we are taught since we were in school is Gyan mudra. Then there's another mudra that I also switch in between, which is this. So it is said that by performing this mudra, you make a circle all around you. So you can use any mudra, or if you know other mudras as well, if you're well informed about the same, you can use that mudra also. Now we're going to start the meditation video. Also, one more thing, I usually meditate in a low lit room because that is something which helps me to concentrate. But you can also meditate in a bright place, maybe somewhere like in the balcony or in a room where all the lights are on, like here. So it hardly matters, there are no compulsion, but yeah, it depends upon person to person and their preferences as well. Okay, so moving on to the main thing, cup your hands, make any mudra you prefer to, and close your eyes. So here, our first motive is to calm down our mind and body, because there will be so many thoughts in our mind. So how we're going to do it is by concentrating on our breathing pattern. So we will be observing a breathing pattern. Notice that we don't have to control the breathing pattern, we just have to observe it. So we will not take any deep breaths, we will just notice the regular breathing pattern. Observe the cool air passing through your nasal cavity as you inhale, and a slight warm air again passing through your nasal cavity as you exhale. So I do it for around 2 to 3 minutes when I start meditation. You can do it for any long, like for how much time you want it to be, because it totally depends what is the mental state at that point of time. This really helps you to come into a Zen mode, helps you to come in a peaceful state. So after I do it, the main things start, and that is Aum chanting mantra. Now what does Aum means? So Aum consists of 3 sounds, that is A, U and M. So It is said that aum is the basis of any sound. Like here, even if I don't move my tongue, I'll still be able to produce these three sounds, like a, o, So these are the basis of any sound. So now, in this part, what we do is, we will produce a, oo and sound one after the other for 7 times. I will be producing it only for one time, but always remember that when you will sit down for meditation or when you will actually meditate, always produce these sounds for 7 times, or do it at least for more than 5 times. So again, our hands will be in a mudra. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale. And as I exhale, I squeeze my stomach in so that I let all the air pass through the sound. Second sound. And the third sound. And the third sound. So you have to do this for 7 times. Usually people have complained that they cannot exhale for a longer period of time, but that's totally alright. It will come after practice. So after doing this main Aum chanting, you will feel reverberations when you will produce the sound around your navel. When you produce the sound O, you will observe that sound vibrations where the ribs join, and the last sound, that is you will feel its vibrations around your throat. Moving on, there is one more exercise that I do which really helps to calm me down, and that is also a breathing exercise. That is called breathing control meditation. So here the rules of this meditation is that you have to inhale for 4 seconds, you have to hold your breath for 8 seconds, and you have to exhale for another 8 seconds. So, it goes for double ratio. So whatever you inhale, that will get double when you will exhale. So if I am inhaling for 4 seconds, so I will exhale for 8 seconds, and I will hold for another 8 seconds. So I'll demonstrate the same thing. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that you have to inhale through your nose and you have to exhale through your mouth. And while you will be exhaling, your tongue will be touching the hard palate that is behind your teeth, this side. So let's have a look on this. I usually do this exercise around for 5 to 6 times, and meanwhile in that time I already feel that my body is getting more and more calmer, and it is getting kind of in a pause state. I generally feel that peace in my mind using this method, and you can do this anywhere. I usually perform this exercise. I used to perform this exercise when I travel in metro while going to college, so you can do it anywhere. The last thing, I end up my meditation with this last thing, and this technique is called as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what is this technique? Here you can wear your specs, there is no need to take it down. The 5 4 3 2 1 exercise is something which helps you to focus. If you're studying or if you're going to study, perform this exercise. I do this exercise oftenly and it really helps me to focus more and more. Now here 5 things that you can see. Like for example here I can see a table, a chair, and you have to speak it loudly. So a table, a chair, a remote, clock, fan, and a tube light. 4 things that you can feel. So right now I can feel my hair on my neck, I can feel the floor, I can feel the wall in my back, and I can also feel the specs on my nose area. I can feel that. 3 things that you can hear. So right now I can hear the noise of the fan, I can hear the clinking sound of the cutlery, and I can also hear someone phone ringing. This happens to me a lot. 2 things that you can smell. So I can smell the perfume right now which I've applied. I can smell the shampoo of my hair. 1 thing that you can taste. So there's a necessity that you have to go and taste something. It is not necessary. In fact, you can just taste the essence of your mouth. So taste can be tasteless as well. So right now, there's no taste. So it can be tasteless as well. So with that, I complete my 5 4 3 2 1 meditation. We in whole got around 3 to 4 techniques. The first one we started with calming ourselves by observing our breathing pattern. Then we moved on to Om technique, and then we moved on to breathing pattern or controlling breathe technique, where we inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 8 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds. And the last we ended our meditation technique with 5 4 3 2 1 technique. If you don't have much time, you can just club 2 techniques, or even you can use 1 technique and you can perform that meditation. If you think, oh, I don't have time today, you can just take 5 4 3 2 1 technique, or you can just take holding breathe controlling technique, and you can be like totally enough with it. It will be totally enough. There's no need to do all 4 techniques at the same time, but if you do it, it will be very nice. But if you want people to do it, that's totally okay. The focus is on the result, the focus is on the mental peace. You can get the mental peace using 1 technique, or you can get the mental peace using 4 techniques. It depends upon you, and you need to be really accurate. You really have to put yourself into it, then only you can get the results. Meanwhile, this is the best time since you're locked in the houses. You can put or inculcate this technique, this routine into your lifestyle, and it will generate awesome results. Trust me, it has done really great for me, and it will surely do for you too. Stay happy, stay fit, and I wish all of you a very healthy lifestyle, and hope you all are doing really well. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.